Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Whitehouse Beach Club. Now the Whitehouse area is in Westmoreland and it has one of the nicest beaches in Jamaica. However, access to this area was very difficult in the past. But all that is going to change because of two mega projects going on in Westmoreland. One, the construction of the Negril International Airport. And it's actually going to be built in Little London, which is about a 10-minute drive from the town of Savlamar. And then from Savlamar to Whitehouse is probably a 20-minute drive. So this area is going to benefit a great deal from the construction of that highway in terms of tourism. Also, a highway is going to be built. The highway is going to go from Kingston all the way to Negril, and it's going to pass through Westmoreland. And although they haven't confirmed the actual alignment or the route of the highway, I would be very surprised if Whitehouse doesn't have an exit, because most times these highways are built along routes for tourism. Also, that same highway is going to, in Black River, it's going to split. One section will go to Negril, which passes through Westmoreland. The other section will go to Montego Bay. So you now have access from the three international airports via highway. All three will be connected. So once you have a route, an exit or a ramp, from that highway, you will be connected. So those two things are two major developments for Westmoreland. So Whitehouse now is going to benefit from the highway and the airport in terms of tourism. And this development we're looking at is the Whitehouse Beach Club, which is villas that they're building. And further down the road, you have Sandals South Coast. It's not called Sandals Whitehouse because there's actually a Sandals Whitehouse built in Montego Bay. It was one of the first Sandals hotels. But when you find a hotel chain like Sandals building a hotel in Whitehouse, that says a lot for the area and especially the beach. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Whitehouse Beach Club, located in Whitehouse, Westmoreland, is the ideal property for individuals seeking a dream or vacation home or investment property. Upon completion of the development, the property will be converted into a resort, allowing vacationers to enjoy the best of Jamaica without the confines of the all-inclusive models of hotels. Located on approximately 44 acres of gently sloping terrain with breathtaking panoramic views of the ocean and sunset, Whitehouse Beach Club is your invitation to resort living. The property is divided into 5 phases, which will be built over a 5-year period. Each house will be constructed based on the phase in which their preferred lot is located to allow for an orderly build of the development. With 6 designs to choose from, purchasers can select a design based on the location, size, shape, and view of the preferred lot. Purchasers may customize the interior of the property, including but not limited to tiling, paint, and fixtures. All homes are complete with a washer, dryer, refrigerator, dishwasher, etc. Homes will also be outfitted with a solar water heater and water tank. Moreland Development will be the contractor for the construction of all houses within the development, and purchasers are required to sign their construction contract at the time of purchase. On completion, Whitehouse Beach Club will be fully secured with controlled access, perimeter fencing, CCTV cameras, two recreational parks, hard courts, clubhouse, and beach park. The clubhouse and beach park will boast a restaurant, gym, freshwater swimming pool, and a bathing beach. The infrastructure includes underground utilities, concrete sidewalks, and grass verged with trees and shrubbery along all roadways. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.